Welcome to you in Eastern Public School YouTube. Today I am going to teach you sentence, what is sentence and what are its kind. Please listen and look at your video carefully to understand what is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentences. Now, as we know, all other sentences cannot be sentenced. A group of words always never can a sentence until it is arranged in a sequence. So we say a sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a way to convey complete sense. If a group of words cannot complete a sense, it is not a sentence. We do not call it a sentence. A sentence is a word until it is not in a sequences. So the I go to school is a sentence because it completes its sense that I do a work to go. What is your name? It is also a sentence because it tells the name of a person. Sit down, please. It is a sentence because it is a request to do something. The army marched away. It is also a sentence. That in this way we can say a sentence is a group of words that make a good sense. Now I am going to tell you there are four kinds of sentence. Now I am going to tell you what are the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences in the modern grammar, but in traditional grammar we find it is five kinds. Number one, assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. But in modern grammar, optative sentences are omitted. So there are four kinds in all. Assertive sentence is also called declarative and statements. They are of two kinds: affirmative and negative. The sentence which express an idea of yes, we call it affirmative sentence, and the sentence which is express negation, it is called negative sentence. Therefore, there are two types of assertive sentence, and it is also called declarative and statements. The example of the assertive sentence is these sentences are a fact, a capital letter. The assertive sentence always begins with a full stop and begin with the capital letter and ends with full stop. For example, Ravi is playing in the garden. We won the match. You are a good student. But if we write in the negative form of this assertive sentence, we say Ravi is not playing in the garden. We did not win the match. You are not a good student. Thus, these are the assertive sentences, and you should remember three things. That is, assertive sentence, also called a declarative and a statement, and it begins with capital letter and ends with full stop, and it is of two kinds, affirmative and negative. Now, I am going to tell you interrogative sentence. As we know, interrogative, it is also called question. And when a sentence begins with a verb or a question word and has a question mark, it is called interrogative sentence. So its definition is this sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, are you learning grammar from YouTube? It begins with are, that is a verb, and ends with question mark. So it is a interrogative sentence. What is your hobby? It also begins with question word and has full question mark. So it is also called an interrogative sentence. Do you study? It is also an interrogative sentence. Now, perhaps you understand the interrogative sentence. You should remember two things. It begins with a verb or question word and has note of interrogation. This is a interrogative sentence. Now I am going to tell you a third sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence are the sentence which commands, request, prohibition, advice, etc. It has hidden subject and begins often with verb and has full stop in the end. So we define imperative sentence as follows. These sentences express a command, make a request, or it and give advice. It ends with a full stop. For example, shut the door. It is an imperative sentence because it has subject. Its subject is hidden and had full stop. Help the poor. It is also a imperative sentence because it give an advice to help the poor. And it is a command. And please give me your pen. It is a request to give him a pen. So it is also a imperative sentence. Therefore, I remember to understand imperative sentence that a imperative sentence always has hidden subject and ends with full stop. It expresses request, make a request, a command, an advice, a prohibition, etc. Suggest is etc. Now, this is the last kind of sentence, exclamatory sentence. It is also called exclamation also. The sentences express strong emotions or feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. It is its definition. In this definition, we find the sentence which expresses a strong feeling, and has an exclamation mark in the end. It is a exclamatory sentence. For example, what a fantastic film! What a film! It is the exclamation mark, and it says that this is a very good film, attractive film. How kind you are! This expresses that the person is very kind and express a strong feeling. What a nice car! It is also an exclamatory sentence because it is a very good car and express an strong feeling. In this way, we say exclamatory sentence is a sentence which express an strong feeling and has an exclamation mark in the end, which is a exclamatory sentence. In this way, we learn that there are 4 kinds of sentence, such as assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. And I also define it with their examples. You learn mindfully, and if you don't understand and have a problem, provide comment provided space, and if it is if you like it, you share your classmates, and it's inspired me also.